Once again, welcome back to the program. Passion, Perseverance ਅਤੇ ਪ੍ਰੇਅਰ ਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਕਿਤਾਬ ਲਿਖੀ ਹੈ ਪੂਜਾ ਰੂਪਰਲ ਨੇ, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਿ ਇੱਕ ਆਥਰ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਪਿਛਲੇ ਕੁਝ ਲੰਬੇ ਸਮੇਂ ਤੋਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਇੱਥੇ ਆ ਕੇ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ। ਕਿਤਾਬ ਨੂੰ ਹੀ ਆਧਾਰ ਬਣਾ ਕੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਬਾਤਾਂ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਜੀਵਨ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਸੁਖਾਲਾ ਬਣਾਉਣਾ ਹੈ। ਕਿਵੇਂ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹਰ ਇੱਕ ਇਨਸਾਨ ਚਾਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਖੁਸ਼ ਰਹੇ, ਪਰ ਐਸੀ ਮਸਰੂਫੀਅਤ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਜਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਧਾਰ ਤੋਂ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਹਟ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਕਿ ਜੀਵਨ ਕਿਸ ਪਾਸੇ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ। ਇਸੇ ਸੰਬੰਧ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਓ ਮੁੜ ਤੋਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਜੋੜਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਤੇ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕਿਤਾਬ ਵਿੱਚ ਗੱਲ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ ਐਂਜਲਸ ਬਾਰੇ, ਇਹ ਕੀ ਹੈ। ਅਗੇਨ ਹਰ ਇੱਕ ਵਿਅਕਤੀ ਦੀ ਆਪਣੀ ਸੋਚ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ। ਕਈ ਧਰਮਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਐਂਜਲਸ ਨੂੰ ਮੰਨਿਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ, ਕਈਆਂ 'ਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਮੰਨਿਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ, ਪਰ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕਿਸ ਪਰਸਪੈਕਟਿਵ ਤੋਂ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ और इस बारे गलबात करते हैं पूजा रेपल नाल। जी अनु जी, वेलकम टू द प्रोग्राम।
थैंक यू।
सो पूजा जी, आपकी किताब में आपने यू हैव मेंशन्ड अबाउट एंजल्स एंड यू से दैट योर एंजल्स आर विद यू। नाउ बेसिकली इफ यू कुड जस्ट टेल अस व्हाट आर these angels and what do you mean by your angels are with you?
I think from the moment we are born to the moment we die, each of us has an angel or a protective force who's always around us. In fact, they move with us from one life to the next. Angels are evolved human beings. So when I'm born, I come, we spoke about this in a previous program, we have a soul contract, and we decide with our creator that this is going to be my goal in this life. I'm going to help these many people, this is what I'm going to work on, this aspect of my personality. In my previous life I was a short-tempered person, I caused a lot of people harm, this is what I'm going to work on. And I come down into this life, I die. The angel has been with me throughout. I work on whatever I committed to my creator that I'm going to work. So I'm calmer, I'm no longer getting so angry. So I go back and then we do a new contract. And this time I'm going to work on patience. And then I come back and it goes on and on. And angels are those evolved human beings who have finished working on all those aspects that they had to for their soul growth. And now they are protecting human beings.
Okay. So what is the advantage, because your contract is with your God or whatever you believe in, so what is the point of having a middleman in between?
The angel isn't a middleman. The angel is here to support you into that contract, right? Because when you're born, you've forgotten that contract, so you keep deviating from it. You've totally forgotten it. The angel serves as your reminder. Hey, this is what you had promised, this is what you want to do, you're totally going in the opposite path. Subtly, because they can't speak. Sometimes we can communicate with them. There are many people who will tell you I've communicated with angels, but some of us don't know how to do that, right? So we need to be we need very obvious clues. We need to be pushed before we realize this is the message being sent to us. They're actually supporting us. They're not a mediator in any way between me and my creator or God.
Right. So where do these angels live?
They're right here.
Okay.
एक आपके पीछे भी है.
ठीक है. So it's everywhere basically.
They are with me wherever I go.
Okay.
Yes.
Now again, is it just a kind of a support to give to your mind that you are being watched by someone, and the contract what you had with your creator, and the angels are helping you out fulfill that? Because as you said, they don't speak, or common people can't talk to them. That protective force of that aura, what we say many a times, it's basically, do you think it's more of a kind of a satisfaction to your own self that yes, you should tread on the right path, or do they really exist? And if they exist, how can we prove that?
It's a belief system like all other belief systems, right? Some of us believe in them. I believe there's an angel around me constantly, guiding me, protecting me, as long as I'm open, right? I can shut myself, and there are times when all of us do that, right? I'm not in any mood, I don't want to listen to anything, I don't want to take any of those hints, I want to do what I want to do. But if I choose to believe in them, then I have to be open, and I have to watch for those signals that my angels send to me. Right? And they could come, those signals could come through another person, a situation, an opportunity. Somebody can see a message in driving by. I've heard people say, that license plate, that's been coming too often for the past 3 days, and they'll go check online and they'll try to find out what that number in numerology, what is the significance. So that is the extent some people go to. It's totally up to you and your belief.
It's your belief system, basically, right?
Yes.
So because as you said that it's a belief system, whatever belief one has, one should tread that. That's great. But again, coming back to the angels, what you're pointing out is that when you say you get indications, and you pointed out a few things by which one can get those indications and feel. But again, like they help you out. The purpose is to become a better human being, and probably with this faith, whatever you have, you tread on the right path. Maybe thinking that you have a friend just around you, and which is always directing you to go into the right direction.
So actually, the philosophy that I practice, Buddhism, talks a lot about the empowerment of the individual.
Okay.
It speaks about two protective gods who sit on every shoulder, Doryo and Domyo, who watch us from the moment we are born to the moment we die.
Right.
Right. And I wasn't talking about I didn't put them in the Buddhist perspective. I spoke about angels.
Right.
So that's what Buddhism talks about, that they are our protective forces.
Right.
And when we are stepping into a path that is not suitable, that is inappropriate, that is incorrect, they will guide us. But then again, we have to be open to that guidance.
Right. Thank you for this perspective. And as you said, there's an angel behind me also. So I'm going to talk to him and ask him, I'm going to buy a 649 lotto and guide me in getting the right numbers. Thank you very much. So ਅੱਜ ਜੋ ਅਸੀਂ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ, ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਕਿਤਾਬ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਏਂਜਲਸ ਦੇ ਸੰਬੰਧ ਵਿੱਚ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ। ਤੇ ਅਗੇਨ ਹਰ ਇੱਕ ਵਿਅਕਤੀ ਦੀ ਆਪਣੀ ਬਿਲੀਫ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ। ਇੱਕ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਬਿਲੀਫ ਚੱਲਦੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਏਂਜਲਸ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਗਾਈਡ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ। ਤੇ ਪੂਜਾ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਇਹੀ ਕਿਹਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਏਂਜਲਸ ਇੱਕ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਡਾਇਰੈਕਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਸਿਚੁਏਸ਼ਨਸ ਦੇ ਰਾਹੀਂ, ਜਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਵਿਅਕਤੀ ਇਹੋ ਜਿਹੇ ਮਿਲ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਨੇ, ਜਾਂ ਕਈ ਵਾਰੀ ਵਿਅਕਤੀ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਯਾਰ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਤੇ ਇਹ ਮੈਂ ਸੋਚ ਹੀ ਰਿਹਾ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਇਹ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ। ਸੋ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਇੱਕ ਦੋਸਤ ਨੇ, ਮਿੱਤਰ ਨੇ, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਗਾਈਡ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ। ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਪਾਥ ਹੈ, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਹੀ ਚੱਲਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋ, ਉਹਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਡਾਇਰੈਕਟ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਨੇ।